Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, gave further insight into the country's tax revenue performance for last fiscal year, which ended March. The committee held a press briefing Thursday morning. After this week's news that the country missed its revenue target for the period April 2023 to March 2024, Chairman of EPOC Keith Duncan says total revenues and grants came in at $925.3 billion.
And that was actually 11.8% greater than the previous year. So total revenues and grants actually grew 11.8%, but behind budget year to date by $22.4 billion. Right? So we're only 2% behind 2.4% for total revenues and grants behind it.
As for tax revenues,
Even at $831.6 billion, $78.7 billion higher than the previous year, 10.5% greater than the previous year. So tax revenues are growing and upgrading. What we saw was an impact in March, right? But it came in $24.8 billion, 2.9% behind budget.
a fall off in revenue from taxes and profit was linked to the missed target.
$274 billion, which was $15.7 billion behind budget, right? And $38 billion higher than the previous year. That's 16.3%. But this is where the fall off was. The fall off really occurred in the corporate income tax line, which came in at $93.1 billion, which was $14.3 billion behind target, and basically flat year over year. Corporate income tax. PAYE was in line with budget at $134.6 billion and $27.3 billion, 25% above the previous year. So it shows that with the record lows of low unemployment rate, and PAYE number is still performing as budgeted.
And ladies and gentlemen, we do apologize for the quality of that audio. The Bank of Jamaica says 3.85 million real-time gross settlement RTGS transactions were processed in 2023. Now, RTGS transactions allow for real-time settlement of interbank transactions as money is going from one bank to another. The figure represents both United States and Jamaican dollar payments. The central bank says there was a 14.7% increase in the number of Jamaican dollar RTGS transactions with a total value of $35.3 trillion. 3,422 US dollar RTGS transactions were processed last year, representing a 21% increase over 2022. These transactions were valued at $3.2 billion US dollars. And to the markets now, the Jamaican dollar lost 53 cents against the US currency at the close of trading. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.72. The Canadian is going for $115.26. $197.79 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $168.33. Meanwhile, the JSE index gained 440 points today, while the junior market index lost 14 points. Among the 46 winners were General Accident Insurance Company, Jetcon, Carib Cement Company, Spurtree Spices Jamaica, and Edufocal. The 39 losers included MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, Epley 7.5% shares due 2024, and Consolidated Bakeries, as well as Fosrich. Now 25 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that is it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news, they're right after the break.